Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to solve problem solving questions involving circles. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's understand the question further. Alright, so we see that 4 circles are drawn in a line and enclosed by a rectangle as shown in this figure, right? So if the radius of each circle is 3 cm, calculate the shaded area within the rectangle. Alright, so first of all guys, how would we find the shaded area? So the shaded area would be the rectangle, right? The rectangle minus with 4 circles, right? Minus with the area of 4 circles. All right, now let's go ahead and find the area of the rectangle, guys. So area of rectangle is equal to the length multiplied by width, right guys? Now we don't know the length in this question, but we can find the length, right? We see that the radius is 3 cm, therefore the diameter will be 6 cm. Alright guys, now the totally there are 4 circles in this rectangle, right, which is totally enclosed, and 6 times 4 will give us the length, right? So the length of this rectangle will be 24 cm. So we have 24 cm multiplied by its width. So the width, guys, will be the diameter of the circle, right? The diameter of the circle is 6 cm. Therefore the area of this rectangle will give us 144 cm square, right guys? Now we have found the area of the rectangle. Now let's go ahead and find the area of 4 circles, right? So area of 4 circles is equal to pi r square multiplied with 4, right guys? Pi r square multiplied with 4. Now in this question, guys, I'm going to take the value of pi as 3.14. So I have 3.14 multiplied by its radius, which is 3 cm raised to the power of 2, and multiplied by 4 because there are 4 circles, right guys? So what do we have? We have 3.14 times 9 cm square multiplied with 4, right guys? So if you multiply, we have 3.14 times 36 cm square, and 3.14 times 36 cm square is going to give us 113.04 cm square, right? Now this is the area of 4 circles. Now we can go ahead and find the area of the shaded part, which is 114 cm square minus with 113.04 cm square, which is 30.96 cm square, right guys? So the shaded part in this case is 30.96 square centimeter. Now really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing, guys, as that will help me a lot. Alright, until next time guys, have a nice day.